How to change Snapchat phone number without logging in. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change phone number on Snapchat without logging in. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if you have lost access to your old phone number, you can still change your phone number by logging in. You can still change your phone number by logging in with your email or username or password. Once you are logged in, you can change your phone number in the settings. Guys, make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if you have lost access to both of your old phone number and your email or username, you can contact Snapchat support. They may be able to assist you in changing your phone number once you prove that you are account owner. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.